Hi students, as promised, I wanted to talk about strumming, and the first piece we were looking at that was a basic strum was Buffalo Gals, and it was simply a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. Let me demonstrate it a little closer. So with my pick, we had the C, and I suggested a shuffle. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and... It's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And let me go back to the piece, and you'll hear and see me in the small little box in the corner. But a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, as I was walking down the street, down the street, down the street, a pretty girl I chanced to meet under the silvery moon. Buffalo gals, won't you come out tonight? Come out tonight. Come out tonight. Buffalo gals, won't you come out tonight and dance by the light of the moon? Hopefully that'll give you a better comprehensive feel for the chords. And the changes, all the while strumming 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, more to come.